What is up, you guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're actually going to have some help from my sister over here.
Am I really helping?
She doesn't think she's helping, but she's actually helping. Today we're going to go ahead and install some parts that I got in. So let's go ahead and look at the parts. We got some frame sliders. We also got some bar end stuff. Alright. Let's get started. Alright guys, so my sister didn't want to do anything but the work, so we're going to go ahead and record her doing the work. Alright, so we're going to start off with my bar ends. So, alright, so go ahead and just loosen those up.
Okay, now what?
Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and open the bar ends, which I put over there. Wait, so whose bite do you like better, mine or Dad's?
It's relative.
You have to answer.
Yours?
Can you say that one more time?
Mine.
You don't have a bite, so which bite do you like better, mine or Dad's?
Yours.
That's what I thought. But as you can see, as you guys will probably be watching this video later, you guys notice what's wrong with this. Revzilla did send me a brand new one, so I will be putting that in sometime this week whenever I get it back. It might help if you actually tighten it with this.
Oh. You don't put that in there. Please don't put that in there. Makes me look like an idiot. Did I just not? Here.
No, you have to do it.
That's stupid.
Here, want a shortcut?
Yeah.
Here. Look, I don't know if you guys can actually. Oh wow, that's even worse. Maybe you guys can tell. Right on the other side, but look how much better that looks than compared to that. So much better. Alright. Make sure it's on. You have to hit the button to push it on. And then make sure it's going on the unratcheting. Other way. Move that over, yeah. We're over here teaching my sister how to use some tools. So these are the same ones that I had on my 2013, right? Is that what I had? Yeah. 2013 Ninja 650. Same ones. I really like the carbon fiber look, as you guys can tell. Done with my carbon fiber tank pad. It's really not focusing. I don't know why. The lights suck. Our lighting is super, super bright. At 1, 2, 3 shop lights. It's super bright in here. Sometimes it doesn't make for the best video footage. Look at her being smart now. Cool. Alright.
Hey.
Alright guys, so that's how you install some bar ends. Super easy. Anyone should be able to do it. My sister's never worked on a motorcycle before and she was able to do it. So they're super, super easy to work on. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and start with my frame sliders. Amanda, do you want to do the work or do you want me to do the work on the frame sliders? Alright, so I'm going to do the work on the frame sliders, guys. I'll catch you guys in a brief second. How's it going, guys? So as I said, my sister is going to do the filming on this one and I'm going to do the work on this one. As you can see, I kind of cheated and opened up my frame slider package already. I kind of separated each of them to each side that they're supposed to go on. But in essence, they do come with one longer, one shorter one. Go ahead and look at your owner's manual. So that way you know which one is which one. As you can see on it, one's definitely shorter, one's definitely longer, but in this video I will help you guys out and tell you guys which one goes on which. So the longer one goes on the left hand side and then the shorter one definitely goes on the right hand side. The right hand side is going to be the one side with your exhaust on it, and and the other left hand side is going to be the one without the exhaust on it. Okay. Alright, so basically all you're going to need is going to go ahead and take off this bolt right here. It is a size 14 nut. There it goes. Basically, you want to make sure you only do one side at a time though, just because it is attached to your engine. And yeah, you don't want your engine to fall out. Alright, so there's the nuts. Alright, so basically now, why use your hands when you have a knife? Alright, basically we're going to go like this, put the bolt through that, put the bolt through that, and go ahead and tighten it. What? This is my frame slider. So basically, the reason what this is, I can show you guys, is without this, it would literally just be like this, and obviously that's not really any protection for your frame. And with this, it adds the extra little bit of space, so that way it's actual protection on your bike. And as you guys guessed, I went with the carbon fiber look because we're going with the carbon fiber look on throughout the whole entire bike. Alright, I will tear that down here in a second, but let's go ahead and install the other side real quick. Alright, so it's basically just going to be this nut right here again. Alright. Same thing. Oh, wait. Put this through like that. Nice. Don't do that though. And then go like that, and then like that. And just put it back in the hole. Alright guys, so that's basically how you're going to install the Shogun frame sliders on a 2017 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Alright. So I just want to say thank you to all for watching, and a special thanks to my sister who helped with the stuff. Okay. Alright guys. So if you got to this point in the video, go ahead and make sure you hit the like button, and if you also hit that subscribe button, and hit the little bell on the side of the subscribe button, so that way you guys will be notified every time I see you post a video. Alright guys, catch you on the next video. Peace! So, after riding my dad's bike, which bike do I like better, mine or dad's?
Well, yours is more fun to ride. His is just easier to ride. Okay, I'm done.